Here's something nobody tells you about buying a new SUV in 2025. You're probably paying £5,000 more than you need to. But what if I told you there's a game-changing Chinese SUV that's shaking up everything we thought we knew about value for money? Meet the 2025 Omoda 5, the striking crossover that's got established brands seriously worried. And after spending time with this machine, I can see exactly why. First impressions matter, and the Omoda 5 absolutely nails them. This isn't your typical boxy Chinese export. We're looking at genuine design flair here. Those LED headlights slice through the night like laser beams, while the sculptured bodywork flows from front to back with real sophistication. The fastback profile gives it serious road presence, and honestly, park this next to a Volkswagen T-Roc and you'll wonder why anyone pays premium prices anymore. But here's where it gets really interesting. Pop the hood and you'll find a proper powerhouse. The 1.6-liter turbocharged engine pumps out 183 horsepower through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. That's the same gearbox technology you'll find in a Mercedes GLA. 0 to 60 happens in just 7.3 seconds, which absolutely destroys rivals like the Nissan Qashqai that takes over 10 seconds to reach the same speed. Inside, Omoda has clearly been paying attention to what buyers actually want. The cabin feels genuinely premium with quality materials and thoughtful design touches. The 12.3-inch infotainment screen responds quickly and includes wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard. Voice control works brilliantly, and the 360-degree camera system on noble models even activates at junctions to help avoid curb damage. Now let's talk value, because this is where your jaw will hit the floor. The base comfort model starts at just £24,000. For that money, you get heated electric seats, wireless charging, a twin-screen dashboard setup, LED lights all around, and a premium Sony sound system. Try getting that specification from Volkswagen with the same budget, and they'll hand you keys to a basic T-Cross with a 5-speed manual. But let's keep this real. The Omoda 5 isn't perfect. Boot space is disappointing at just 380 liters, which is 76 liters less than a Ford Puma, despite being much larger overall. The suspension feels soft and can get unsettled on poor road surfaces, and the steering lacks the precision you'd get from European rivals. However, here's what really matters. Omoda backs this SUV with a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. That's longer than Volkswagen, Nissan, or MG offer. Plus, it achieved a full 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating with 11 airbags and comprehensive driver assistance systems as standard. The bottom line? The Omoda 5 represents exceptional value that established brands simply cannot match. Yes, it lacks some polish compared to premium rivals, but when you're saving thousands of pounds while getting more equipment and better performance, those compromises suddenly seem very acceptable. If you're shopping for a family SUV and want maximum bang for your buck, the Omoda 5 deserves serious consideration. Sometimes the smart money isn't on the familiar badge. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.